Hi there. We'll start on the monthly tab. Here, you will add your daily habits and check them off when you complete them to keep track of your progress. If you started later in the month, you can change the total number of days you wish to track. Next, we'll scroll down to the weekly and monthly sections and add your goals. Once added, you can check each one off as you complete it. Now you can analyze how you did this month. Write down your biggest achievements, analyze the challenges you faced, and consider how you can overcome them in the future. Let's move to the Yearly Tracker tab. Here, you will monitor your progress for daily, weekly, and monthly goals throughout the year. This tab also shows which habits and goals you're prioritizing the most. Now we can scroll down to the yearly section. Here you can add your biggest goals and track them throughout the year. You can also analyze your achievements, challenges, and areas for improvement for next year. Lastly, let's go to the Smart Goal Analysis tab. Here you can do a SMART analysis to better understand your goals. That's everything you need to know to start using this goal and habit tracker. Happy goal setting!